Hey, what's up guys? It's Sam here with CustomPCReview.com, and I'm back here with another video unboxing for you guys on another product from AZiO, the Levetron clicker. So for those guys who were watching YouTube yesterday, I put up a video on the Levetron Mech 5, which is AZiO's higher end mechanical keyboard. You know, had all the bells and whistles, had Cherry MX black key switches, had had modular design where you can move the 10 key around, had tons of macro keys, had a separate like macro unit that went on a kind of like a gun rail kind of thing on the keyboard. But today we've got a much more basic keyboard, doesn't have all the bells and whistles, doesn't cost as much, has a pretty unique key switch that you don't see too often. So what's special about this one is that it's actually using an Alps style switch, and the exact switch is actually called the APC BSW070WH, which to me means not much at all because I'm not exactly familiar with Alps style switches. But according to the specs, this is a clicky, it's a tactile feedback switch. So that immediately comes to mind, at least, is Cherry MX Browns, and we'll try that a little bit later. But it's got a USB connection, but it does feature 18 key rollover, so AZiO has done a little bit of internal circuitry magic to make that happen. No braided cord, but we have seen some pretty high-end keyboards not have braided cords, such as the DOS keyboard. So I mean, as long as you don't go too crazy on yanking on your cables and stuff, it shouldn't really be a problem. And right here we can see that the WASD keys are of a grippy type textured kind of key. Same thing with the arrow keys, kind of grippy there. You have a little bit of a strange enter key. It's got that like that European kind of layout there. With the extra backslash instead of the long enter key. So but that shouldn't be too much of a problem. It should be pretty easy to get used to that if it's just that's the only change there. I definitely like having my long shift keys. But checking out the bottom there, you got a couple feet. It's not the most expensive looking keyboard, and to be honest, it really isn't. I checked the price up on this on Amazon. It was about $59 or so, and the keyboard's not really even in stock yet because it's so brand new. So we are expecting to see maybe the price drop a little bit in the future. But anyways, it's mechanical keyboard, it's fairly inexpensive, and looks pretty good. So got a couple more product shots come along the way. If you guys are interested in more of what this keyboard sounds like, there's actually a video up with all the mechanical keyboard sounds compared, so you could check that out. But other than that, got a couple more pictures along the way for you guys, so definitely check that out if you're interested. I want to thank AZiO for sending this out for review. I want to thank all you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Surfaces and all that. So it's great to see that Razer is pretty much implementing this new sensor system across the board. Of course, we also got to check out the lighting. It's got this nice green lighting that's pretty typical of a lot of Razer mice. You've got a nice solid green up top, and then you've got a breathing Razer logo at the bottom of the mouse. So very, very nice looking mouse, and definitely excited to review it.